How to eliminate hiccups in a minute. Hiccups, a pesky interloper in your day, right? Well, fret not. Here's how to bid adieu to them in just a minute. First, inhale deeply, filling your lungs with air. Hold that breath, counting slowly to 10. Now gently exhale, releasing the air in a controlled manner. Repeat this 3 times. Still hiccuping? Try a different tactic. Sip on some water, slow and steady. Imagine your body relaxing with each swallow. Often this calming gesture can reset your diaphragm, the hiccup culprit. A final trick, a spoonful of sugar. Not just a Mary Poppins song, but a hiccup remedy too. The granules could stimulate the vagus nerve, helping stop those hiccups. Remember, everyone's different, so find what works best for you. Here's to a hiccup-free day.